1, 2, 3. Let's go. What's up, side gang? I'm Ari.
Fire.
And this is our life.
What's this? What? What's this? What?
What's up, y'all? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. It's afternoon. It's 12:18. Y'all, it's the weekend. Today is Saturday. Y'all, today is Peanut's birthday party. Today is Peanut's birthday. Today is August the 1st. So, y'all, let me tell y'all. I know y'all probably thinking, dang, didn't she have another vlog where she had that same dress on in a Belle's house just like this? Yes, that is true, y'all. This is my favorite dress. Anyways, and it's apparently my favorite bounce house, too. But, y'all, today is another banger. Today we are banging. These kids is jumping. They falling everywhere. Yeah, this outside I need to get him a trampoline so he can just go to the back and be jumping because you know, he is always so full of energy. What's up, Daddy? We did you? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Hurry, run. Ready? 1, 2. Golly, so fast.
You have to go over there.
Come on.
Ari! Look at me.
Woo! All right, look at them boys. Them Nike boys. Go twins. Y'all twins?
Yeah.
Y'all are twins?
Yeah.
Really? Really, y'all are twins. Were y'all bored at the same time?
Yep. Ari, do you want this?
Chance, how you know? Y'all were not bored at the same time.
Ari, we need the water. We need the water up there.
Who said that?
That was me.
You.
I need water.
Woo, Chance.
We need the water.
Big flipping, boy. Big flipping.
Yeah.
Look who up. Somebody was taking a nap. Say, I'm up, Ari. I'm up, Ari. Yeah, she got her swimsuit on. You mad? You mad? You mad? What's up, good? What's up, my good? What's up, my good? What up? I done came to the shade, but look, y'all. I got these sandals from Walmart yesterday. So that my little other sandals won't get all wet messing with them in this little water thing. Ooh, I'm falling. What is going on? What are you doing?
I think I got my shirt and my master shirt. So I can't, because I put it all wet to my butt. So my body is wet. So can you take off it?
You don't think you're all wet already?
Yeah, I think I did. Hold it. So Kiki.
Can you smile? Take a picture. Jeez.
Alright, wait. Don't take a picture yet.
What? Why? Why?
Because you gotta put on my shirt and my t-shirt. Don't take a picture. It's me taking pictures.
Over there. Go see Chance flip. Don't flip, Chance, so I can get it on the camera. You gonna take your shirt off?
Yeah. Because you're wet. Yeah, you take a picture of us.
Okay. Thanks. How you take a picture of us?
They do. Come here, Chelsea. Here, Aria, I need you to hold her. Chelsea and Messiah.
Yeah. Baby, the sunscreen on his face. Well, you think you doing a better job than?
They already wet. Shit, it ain't gonna stay. It ain't gonna do right when it's wet.
Bye, Michael.
But him, he's doomed.
You ready, Pat? You ready?
I can't get in there with my hair.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Comment down below. Tell Raven to go down the slide with my girl. My girl trying to go down the slide.
This won't stay down there long.
Ah, Raven, don't act like that.
This ain't that going somewhere.
Ah, don't act like that. Look, my girl trying to swim.
I'm finna go, but you have my towel.
Now we all ready. Let's go, Pat.
Get the hell out of here.
Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. My bad girl. Girl, you went in that thing. Hey, girl.
Look, buddy.
Hey. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You made it. You made it. There we go. Poor Saya was just falling.
Cut off the water.
What?
Cut off the water.
Oh, now I should cut off the water, huh?
Yeah, and then we don't need to no more water.
Oh, okay. Now we don't need the water no more. Woo! Y'all, it is spicy. I'm sweating. Yeah, it's 12:53. Mind you, the party has not started. I'm hot, and these kids have been jumping for about 45 minutes. Ooh. Let me see you jump high. Let me see you jumping high. Uh-oh, be careful. You okay? Go, Chance. Go, Chance. Go high. Go so high. Woo! Go so high. Go so high. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Let's go. What's up, side gang? 2, 3.
Who won?
I don't know.
I won. I won.
You won?
No,
Yeah, comment down below.
I know who won.
Comment down below. Who won?
Me.
Who won? Comment down below.
Me.
Comment down below. I don't know.
Me.
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, I think I win.
Oh, okay.
I know who won.
I don't know. You gotta wait for the people to tell us.
Because I
Comment down
took
below.
it.
Let me see side game. Tell them. What's wrong with you, Chance? Oh, Chance gang. Did Chance win? Comment down below. Well, we gotta go again. Go again. Let's go.
Go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all, what in the east side of Austin did y'all bring over here to this house? Well, y'all, why are these kids so ratchet? Are you kidding me? What are you guys doing?
We're playing. We're driving. We're driving.
Driving. What? Oh, okay.
We're live.
What in the What east side is this?
Bella, stop!
Cheese.
So tomorrow I have to go to my drug test.
Let me see. This is how you chill by the water. How to chill by the water 101. What you gonna do, side gang?
I'm going to do a backflip.
You gonna do a backflip?
Yeah, backflip.
All right, Chance gang, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Move, move.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, gang, gang. Saya gang. Chance gang. Woo. Yeah. Naya gang falling. Woo.
Hold on, that's not funny.
Good, Daddy? What color is that?
You should make this title Sunday Funday.
What color is that? What color is that, Saya? Purple. What color you got, Chance? Orange. Let me see your orange. Hey. What color you got, JB?
Can I get another one? Red.
Red.
Can I get another one?
Look what color I got.
What color you got?
Green.
Green. Yum. What color you got, Naya?
Red, but it's
Naya
clear
got clear.
now. It's clear because my mouth. I can take olive. Give me a red or green. Oh, red!
Yeah, I was just looking. I don't know why my top lip looked like that. It looks funny. Anyways, so yeah, I don't know what time it was when I checked in with y'all last, but it is now 2:09. We are still out here thugging it. But guess what? Birthday boy still not here. Y'all comment down below. Y'all tell that boy, mom and daddy, to bring that boy so he can play. Goodness gracious. I think somebody in that thing crying too, y'all. You want to say hi to your friends? No? You don't want to say hi to Chance Gang? All right, bye-bye. We'll see you later. Bye. Okay, y'all. So, y'all already know this would not be a RETV party. It wouldn't have an issue with a cake. So, I'm on my way to the store right now to go get a cake. Y'all, I'm trying to decide where I'm going. Comment down below, help me out, because I'm thinking like a little 8-inch cake and then some cupcakes. Trail talking about a cookie cake and cupcakes. I think Raven said an ice cream cake. I'm like, so y'all comment down below. Comment down below. What, this is a kid party, ain't it? Ain't Peanut turning two? Yeah, me also just got to HEB. No buggies. No handheld buggies. All right. Excuse me. So we're here. Apparently, people don't like the fact that I was walking and vlogging because that lady rolled her eyes, and I'm like, please don't start nothing with Ari because Ari's good at the game. Anyways, we're at HEB. Got over here to this cake section. Let's see what they got up in here, y'all. Got these cakes, but I really don't want no sheet cakes.
Cupcakes right there. They don't really like chocolate cupcakes.
So she said the cookies and cream cake, a 6-inch birthday cake. Right there. These are the ice cream cakes they have. But I don't want no big sheet cake. Yeah, I don't know. Those are kind of cute. This one, this blue, but I don't know. And then these are these sheet cakes. Some of the cupcakes. Watermelon cupcake. And they have these cakes. So the cake that I really want to get, y'all, is this one. I want to get the 6-inch. birthday cake right here is what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, y'all. And I got this plain Italian cream right here. I think I'm thinking this birthday cake. I said a cookie cake, but I don't even know if they have cookie cakes. Let's see what they got. Got brownies, pies. These cupcakes, these cookies. They don't even have cookie cakes. Do you see them? No? Do y'all have cookie cakes? Cookie cakes? No. Okay. Okay, so no cookie cakes. So, with that being said, yes, we are gonna go with this cake. And I don't know, I'm saying cupcakes, but I might be wanting to skip cupcakes. I can't even lie to y'all just because it's really not that many kids. All right, y'all. Out of the store. Got some stuff. Whew, y'all, it is so freaking spicy out here. Good thing the store not far away from the crib either, because we're going to be there in about 15 minutes. That's good. I would hate to be going 30 minutes away right now. Hopefully Peanut will be there by the time we get back, though.
Probably not.
Because he wasn't there when we left. Which obviously y'all know, because I would have showed y'all the birthday boy by now. But yeah, we're finna go back to the crib. What's up, y'all? Ari from the future here. So, y'all, this video was so long. Oh my God. I literally said, okay, let me make this 2 videos. Okay. So, this first part of the video, as you see, was literally just the pregame for Dion'S 2nd birthday party. Like, we are pre-gaming for a 2-year-old party now. Like, this is real. So that was the pregame. They pre-jumped, you know what I'm saying? Got prepared to be super wild at the party. Was what that was, okay? If y'all did enjoy that video, y'all, please be sure to smash that like button. And if you have not done so already, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell for notifications so y'all are notified every time I upload some new videos. Because y'all over here at RETV, we chasing 100. And I don't want nobody talking about they did not know that I uploaded some new videos, okay? So y'all be sure to subscribe. Y'all be sure to hit that bell for notifications. And we will see y'all in the next part of the video. Peace.